Hi students, welcome to Maths Time. In the previous video we discussed annual examination question paper 2022 year April, and in that video we discussed only 1 marks question. Today we are going to solve 2 marks question, and 2 marks questions are 8. So first one is solve the given pair of linear equations by elimination method. Two equations are given, linear equations. Linear equations, you know, the degree is 1, and you have to solve this by elimination method. So elimination method, we will first eliminate either x or y, and our substitute, we will get one value x, and other we will substitute that value in the one equation, we will get the value of x and y. So how to solve it? This is very easy. 2 marks, given equation are 2x plus y equal to 8 and x minus y equal to 1. Here it is y is, both are 1 1, so we will cancel. What is the operation? If we simply add, we will get the operation plus y minus y is 0. 2x plus x is 3x. 3x equal to 9, and x equal to 9 divided by 3, that is 3. We get the value x is 3. Now next step is you have to find the y value, that is substitute in any equation, either this or in this, that is 2x plus y equal to 8. So value is x value is 3, 2 into 3 plus y equal to 8, 3 to 6 plus y equal to 8, y equal to 8 minus 6, that is y equal to 2. So the value of x and y are 3 and 2. Now coming to 18th question, find the 30th term of the arithmetic progression 10, 15, 20 by using the formula. You write down the question, find the 30th term of an arithmetic progression 10, 15, 20 and by using the formula. So the given expression is what? That is 18th arithmetic progression is 10, 15, 20, and you have to find the 30th term. That is 30th term is A30 you have to find, and in this term A equal to 10. First term is 10 and common difference D is 15 minus 10, that is 5. So the formula for the nth term, that is An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here A30, that is n is also 30. Now substitute A is 10 plus 30 minus 1 into D is 5. So we will get the answer, that is 10 plus 29 into 5. 29 into 5. So what is the answer? 29, not 5. Common difference is, yes, multiply. I think it is a 20. 20 means this is 20. N is 20. This is 90. 19 5 are 95. That is 10 plus 95. That is 105. So this is the sum of 20 terms. So I did wrong sum. Here actually it is 30th term, but I wrote 20th term. The procedure is similar. You may solve the problem. Next, coming to 19th question is, here there is an option, 2 questions are there. Find the sum of first 20 positive integers by using formula. Either you have to solve this question or find the sum of first 20 terms of AP. AP is given. Here is both are the sum, find the sum. Here either you can do this or do this. We will solve first one, that is find the sum of first 20 positive integers. So what are the first 20 positive integers? That is 1, 2, 3 up to 20. How can we write that? 19th problem. Arithmetic progression will be 1, 2, 3 up to 20 terms, means there are n is equal to 20. So you have to find the sum. What is the formula for the sum? Sum of n terms, Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. A is 1, we know, and common difference 2 minus 1, this is also 1, and n, number of terms, n equal to 20, you have to find S20. Therefore, S20 equal to 20 by, to substitute the values, 2 into 1, 2a plus 2n minus 1, 20 minus 1 into d, that is also 1. Next step is 2 ones are 2 tens are. 10 into bracket 2 plus 20 minus 1 is 19. Okay. Next 10 into 19 plus 2, 21. 21 into 10, that is 210. So the sum of 20 terms is 210. This is the answer. Or another option is there. What is that? You have to find the sum of first 20 terms of an AP 10, 15, 20 by using formula. Here in this question the sum of first 20 terms was there. Here is sum of how the terms are. First 20 terms AP is given 10, 15, 20 like this. So first we will write the arithmetic progression. So this is option. Given AP is 10, 15, 20 like this, and you have to find the sum of 20 terms. So again sum of the formula is, sum of the terms is Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. A is 10 and d is 5, 15 minus 10, and the number of terms is n equal to 20. We will substitute the same, that is S20 equal to 20 by 2, 2 into a, that is 10, plus 20 minus 1 into d, that is, this becomes 10, 2 tens are 20 plus 19 into d is 5, 19 5s are, that is 10 into 20 plus 19 5s are 95, 10 into 20 plus 95 is 115, 115 into 10 is 11510. This is the sum of 20 terms. So this is the 19th question. Next is 20th. Find the roots of the equation x square plus 5x plus 2 by using quadratic formula. So this is the quadratic equation. So for the finding the roots of the quadratic equation, the formula we will write, the given equation is x square plus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. The formula is x equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here b is 5. We will write a equal to 1, b equal to 5 and c equal to 2. That is minus 5 plus or minus b square is 5 square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 2 divided by 2a, that is 2 into 5, that is minus 5 plus or minus 5 square is 25 minus 4 into 2 minus 8 divided by 2 5s are, sorry, 2 1s are, 2a is 1, 2 1s are 2, that is 2. So answer is minus 5 plus or minus 25 minus 8 is 17 divided by 2, x equal to. Since 17 has not perfect square root, so we will write x equal to minus 5. We have to write the roots, plus root 17 by 2 and another root is minus 5. Now we will write minus 17 divided by 2. So this is the answer. Next question is find the value of discriminant. Discriminant and hence write the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. So the given quadratic equation is x square plus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. So discriminant, what is discriminant? B square minus 4AC is called the discriminant. So we have to find the discriminant, and by seeing the discriminant, we will see the nature of the roots. So first A equal to 1 and B equal to 4 and C equal to 4. So discriminant, you may write D or like this delta, that is B square minus 4 AC. B is 4 square minus 4 into A is 1 into C is 4, that is 4 4s are 16 minus 4 4s are 16, 16 minus 16 0. So what you get? Discriminant is 0. When the discriminant is 0, how the roots, what are the nature of the roots? The nature of the roots are real and equal. You have to write the nature of roots are real and equal. So this is the answer for the 21. Next is 22nd question from the question paper. Find the distance between the points. This is from the coordinate geometry. A 2 6 and B 5 10 by using the distance formula. Two coordinates are given, A and B. You have to find the distance between AB by using the distance formula. The formula for the distance is square root under x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is AB equal to, we have to write the formula, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here x2 is 5, x1 is 2, that is 5 minus 2 whole square plus y2 10 minus 6 whole square. 5 minus 2, that is 3 square plus 10 minus 6 4 square. 3 3s are square 9 plus 4 square 16, that is 25. Root of 25 is 5 units. The distance between AB, it is 5 units. Or option is there. Either you have to, from the 22nd question, two options are there. Either you have to solve, or another one, this is also from the same chapter, that is find the coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment joining the points P, 3, 4 and Q. PQ is a line. P is 3, 4 coordinates and Q has coordinates 5, 6. You have to find the coordinates of the midpoint, that is R, you have to find. So how shall for the midpoint formula for coordinates is, you have to write midpoint formula, that is x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y1 y2 divided by 2. So these are the coordinates formula. x1 is 3 plus 5 divided by 2 and 4 plus 6 by 2. That is 8 by 2 here, and this is 10 by 2. When we simplify, 2 4s are 2 5s are. So that is 4 and 5 are the coordinates of midpoint coordinates of this point R. We have to remember the formula here, distance formula and midpoint formula. And next question is 24. This is the 2 marks last question. Means 8 questions are there. 2 is a 16 marks. So this is, in the given figure, find the values of sin theta and tan alpha. So the figure is given here. ABC is a triangle. Angle B is 90 degree. And AB is 12. BC is 5. And AC is 13 units. So C angle is theta and A angle is alpha. You have to find sin theta and tan alpha. So for the sin ratio, for the sin theta formula, What is the ratio? Sine equal to, when theta is there, for the theta opposite side is AB and hypotenuse. For that, sine theta, that is opposite side by hypotenuse. For theta, hypotenuse is 13, that is AC, and opposite side is exactly opposite, that is AB. That is AB equal to 12 and the hypotenuse is 13. That is sine theta equal to 12 by 13. Next is tan alpha. For the tan ratio alpha, which is for angle alpha, hypotenuse will remain same, that is AC. But for the alpha, AB becomes adjacent and BC becomes opposite side. Tan alpha ratio is opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite is BC and adjacent is AB. So BC is how much? This is 5 and AB, that is 12. Tan alpha is 5 by 12. This is answer for the tan alpha, and this is sine theta, that is 12 by 13. So these are the 2 marks question from the question paper. In the next video we will solve the 3 marks question, that is 3 into 9, that is 27 marks. 3 marks question will be 9 are there. We will solve the next video. Thank you.